Is your website suddenly getting traffic from China or Singapore? Will this traffic cause any kind of ranking issues to your website? We are living in the world of AI where bots are being trained to work for humans. AI engineers are training their bots so that they can learn more from websites and can work accordingly. So that's why this traffic is coming from China based companies or Singapore based companies, which are nowadays busy training their bots to learn and collect data from other websites. And these bots are being sent to most of the websites. Now, the most important question comes: will this traffic from China or Singapore affect your website ranking? Or will this traffic cause any kind of negative effect to your SEO efforts you have invested in to rank your site organically? The answer is yes. So, what is the solution? How you can avoid the traffic coming from China or Singapore bots? So, I will share this. In order to avoid the traffic coming from China or Singapore, you can use CAPTCHA on your website so that bots come and they will return because they will not be able to resolve the CAPTCHA. So, in order to avoid any kind of traffic, whether it is fake traffic or coming from the bots operated by engineers, you can easily use CAPTCHA on your website and avoid this kind of traffic. Because bots don't have eyes and they don't have perception power or emotions, they can't resolve a CAPTCHA and will return without solving the CAPTCHA. So that is the perfect answer. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.